Check out this 2015 Ram 1500 Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include bright white clear coat, engine, 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT, rear-wheel drive, tow hitch, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, steel wheels and privacy glass. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.